Good morning, Woody here with GMR Metal Roofs and Construction. Today you can see we're back on the 1912 home. That we put on the new siding, the new stone coated steel roof, the Deck Tech PVC system on. Today we're putting on our first coat of exterior paint. We're using a Sherwin-Williams rain paint, which is kind of neat because it's self-cleaning paint, so that way the homeowner has less maintenance down the road. So today you can see for all of your exterior needs, we're going ahead, we've got one coat of paint on there, everything's prepped for it. We've got to do a little bit of grinding on the bricks to get those cleaned up a little bit and get them back to the pre-existing condition since somebody else painted over them before. But one coat of paint, we're gonna go back, touch up all of our finishes on there, and then hopefully the wind will die down in the next couple days after this cold front we've had here. Sorry to people up north, but cold to us is under 55 or underneath 60, but it's 112 up on the roof when we did that in July. So our blood's a little bit thinner down here at GMR Metal Roofs and Construction, but all of your exterior needs, one contractor, one shop, one kill. We do it all with the same team. So like us, follow us, find us, and give us a try, and we'll come out and take a look at any of your projects you have. Thank you and have a beautiful, blessed day.